Hi everyone! This is a tutorial on this romantic pink makeup look. These shimmery pink eyeshadows give a sophisticated look and it is perfect for Valentine's Day or any date night out. If you are interested, keep on watching. I'm starting off with these two products for my base. Because I have dry skin, I like to use a primer oil to make sure my skin is hydrated. This stick foundation is a little stiff, but it blends out nicely on top of the primer. I'm using this RMS cream contour and this blush from Colourpop, which has a cream to powder finish. First, I apply the cream contour with my finger and blend it out with a brush and a beauty blender. I'm using my fingers to apply the blush as well. Because I'll be using pink shimmery eyeshadows on my eyes, I used matte, cool-toned complexion products and skipped the bronzer. For a subtle highlight, I'm applying the Hollywood Flawless filter on the high points of my cheeks. I'm setting my face with two face powders. First, I'm taking the translucent powder on a brush and setting my entire face. Then, I'm lightly applying the pressed powder on areas where I want more coverage. For the lips, I'm using a nude lip liner and a light pink gloss. My eyebrow routine has been the same for a while with these two products. I fill in my brows with a pencil, then set them with a tinted eyebrow gel. For the eyes, I'm using these two eyeshadow palettes from Charlotte Tilbury. From the bigger palette, I'm using these three shades. To help the eyeshadows last longer, I'm applying a primer and setting it with powder. First, I'm applying a rose gold shade all over the lid. You can see that the synthetic haired brush didn't lay down much color, so I used a natural haired brush instead. Then with the same brush, I'm applying a metallic copper shade on the outer third of the eyes to add more dimension. I'm softening the edges with a small round blending brush. For the lower lash, I'm applying the first rose gold shade on the outer third and a metallic gold shade in the inner third to brighten up the eyes. Using a brown eyeshadow on an eyeliner brush, I'm creating a small wing. Then I'm connecting it to the outer third of the lower lash line to frame the eyes. Using a finger, I'm applying the pop shade from this eyeshadow quad to add a little sparkle in the center of the eyelids. For this eye look, I recommend using false lashes to avoid looking like you have pink eye. Of course, you can apply false lashes under your lashes, but today I'm applying them on the top. This one by Ardell looks very natural, so it won't cover the eyeshadow. Finally, I'm tightlining with a dark brown eyeliner. And this is the final look. I hope this tutorial helped you get some ideas for Valentine's Day or any nights you spend with your special someone. All the products and tools are listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!